Oh my goodness. This is one of those show me you have a 2-year-old without showing me you have a 2-year-old kind of things. Hey friends, I'm Shelly Shoosh. Welcome back to my channel. It is springtime now, so it is subscription box unboxing season for me. And I'm going to share with you guys what I got in my 2021 Spring Fabfitfun box. If you're not familiar with Fabfitfun, it is a quarterly subscription box. I believe in the States it costs around $39.99. In Canada, it cost me a little bit more. I subscribe for an entire year so that I just pay one price and then I get my box every 3 months. I will say this is not my favorite box. And my sister and my best friend both get this subscription box as well. And my best friend actually just ended up canceling after this one because it's not like a wow box at all. And for the money that we spend, we really should be getting like some wow factor to it. So I will get into this box with you. I'll explain all the things that I got and I'll let you know how much everything is valued at. Guys, I let my daughter color on the box, but she literally just like destroyed everything. I'm sorry about the aesthetics of all of this, but I will show you what's inside the packaging because the outsides of everything is just like hideous. Oh my God. All right, let's get started. So the first item that I chose is this Jenny Kane water hyacinth tray with cutout handles. It's valued at $45. I really love this tray because it goes with my decor. I have it on my table right now, so I'll show you guys a close-up. I can just put like a vase of flowers on it and it's beautiful. It's small. I can use it throughout the entire year and just dress it up different types of ways. So first item was very good, but I did choose that one for myself. The second item is also something that I'm really excited about as well, and it is the Our Place lunchbox. Our Place, you guys have seen them for sure. They have that always pan that all the influencers are talking about these days. So I actually chose this because I really love the color and I can just like imagine the picture that I'm gonna take when I take Luna for a picnic. So the lunchbox is valued at $35, BPA free, of course. So it's got this little like band to keep everything together, and it's got the rose gold handles on it. Beautiful, like corally, rusty kind of color. Oh, I love this. Okay, so I believe it's made of bamboo because that's what it feels like. It has all the utensils inside of it, so a fork, a knife, and a spoon. And then it also has chopsticks, which is so cool. I love using chopsticks, so I will definitely love that. Then if you take off this top layer here, it's got a nice suction to it too, so that's really good. And then it's got this removable tray in it as well. This is pretty cool. Next up is this set of Bloomingville woven seagrass coasters. And these are valued at $35. And each one of them is a little tiny bit different, but I love the look of them. I love that it's neutral colors and it's got the nice white ribbing around it. This will actually look really nice on my bar cart, so I am excited about these as well. There's one other thing that I was super excited about in this box, and this is the Cocoa Floss Tropical Trio. Let's see. I don't know why my camera's having such a hard time focusing on these things. There we go. So it's the Cocoa Floss Tropical Trio, and this one is valued at $28. It says the floss is woven with grime-grabbing fibers to keep your teeth and gums healthy. The packaging is super cute. Look how colorful and fun that is. I'm surprised this actually wasn't in the summer box and instead is in the spring box. And it smells amazing. As soon as you open it, you can smell it. So it comes with one carrying case. Oh, and look at this. So on the back of it, it says 60 days, 30 days, 2 weeks, floss party. So you know how much is left in there. Can you see that? Yeah. That's actually really cool. And I'm happy that they just gave one carrying case, because it is plastic, and you know, we don't like to have too much plastic these days, guys. So this one I believe is the watermelon flavor. It smells so good. And then these other two, so this one is Cara Orange, Aromatic Floss. And then this one is Pure Strawberry. I can't smell it through the packaging, but if it smells as good as the watermelon, these are gonna be a huge hit. So this was the last thing that I was super excited about. The reason that I don't love Fabfitfun is because they put tons of like beauty options in here that I don't think everybody would actually use. If you were to put in, say, something like floss or a toothbrush or body wash, that's something that everybody uses. But then they go ahead and put in things like this. So these are, I don't know how to say this. Oh, probably say, because it's sayhello.com. Let's see what these are valued at. 8A. So these are reusable beauty rounds, a 3-pack of cotton rounds for $15. I don't wear makeup. I only wear makeup when I film videos, and I only do my eyes. I don't put anything on my face. I never have, and I never will. And so something like this is just like useless to me. I will say that I do save products like these, and I'll add them to like birthday gifts and things like that. I still pay for them, so it's not exactly regifting, but I wish they would put more products in their boxes that like everybody is going to use. So there's that. This is another one that I definitely will not use, but my best friend will, so I'll definitely be bringing this for her. It's worth $38, and it's the Earth Harbor Marina Biome Brightening Ampoule. Like, what is that even? So we'll open it because it's going to my best friend. She won't care that I opened it. Really pretty packaging and all the things. Let's focus. Yeah, really pretty packaging, and it's a nice pretty blue color, but like I'm not gonna use something like this. I don't need like a spirulina oil for my face. I'm black, I have oily skin already. This is like useless to me, and it's worth a good amount, so that's a little disappointing. Honestly, if I didn't pay for my entire year, which just started again, I probably would have canceled after this box as well. My sister is also thinking of canceling. Then we have these. So this is the SF Glow Suns Out Pouts Out Lip Mask. This is valued at $16, and it is a 4-piece of gold foil lip mask. Again, something that I'm probably not going to use. I'll save this for when I go to like a cottage with my friends and we'll do like a spa night kind of thing. But for like everyday type of use, this is not my jam, Fabfitfun. This is not my jam. And the very last thing that is in the box, and again, I apologize, my 2-year-old colored on it. It smells good. Okay, 4C. So this is the Erno Laszlo Sea Mud Deep Cleansing Bar, also valued at $38. Try and give you a better look here, if you can look past the blue crayon on everything. Is that even the right way? Yeah. I thought at first that this was going to be for like taking a shower, but it's actually for your face. So I will probably give this a go. Let's open it up. It smells all right. It's black, so it must have some sort of charcoal or something to it. I don't know. I don't know if I love that actually. But here it is. And again, worth a pretty penny. So I guess they do use quality products, but it's just really not my type of thing, all these beauty things. I'm way more into like the lifestyle type products. There you have it. It's the spring 2021 Fabfitfun unboxing. If you guys can think of anything that I can do with these products that I don't really love, I still have 3 more boxes to come for the rest of the year. I think I will cancel after my year is over. but maybe I could do a giveaway. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think I should do with these extra products that I am just never going to use. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you are new around here. I make videos on motherhood, lifestyle, and homemaking. I would love to have you as part of my growing YouTube mom community. You can follow me over on Instagram at mrs.shelly.shoosh, and I will catch up with you guys soon in a new video. Bye!